Hi everyone. Please forgive me. I've had a rough year. Okay. I know that I didn't do the unboxing of the Unity on the 30th of March, but here we are, April 1st. Okay. Doing 2 months ago now. Unity kit comes in this plastic bag. So plastic mailer. Let's open it. If you're unfamiliar with how I used to do this, last year and the year before last, Wonder Dreamer 555 and I would do a collaboration called Snooze It'll Use It up into January, February. Let's see. Yeah, I still held on to doing it, and then I told you that I didn't know how we were gonna do it, and then last month, February, I didn't do one. February was a rough month for me. Anyway, and then I didn't unbag February's 2024. We're headed into April. This is April 1st when you're seeing this. Anyway, I'm gonna bring that back. I know I've been doing the case cards, but I was thinking if I showcase this last month's pack on the first of the current month, so like I'm behind a month, but just say for example, April 1st, I would show you March's kit, right? And then on the case that I would come and I would find one of the cards that they have made from the kit and do that. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. I didn't see this one. I didn't look at any of them. I don't normally peek unless the previous months has been boring, and sometimes they are to me. But last month with the dogs, so cute. The last time I did a kit, so it would been January's kit, was very cute, very 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 cute. And I'm gonna make some cards with that. I promise you. This is February. I think Wonder and Dreamer 555 would have liked this one too. It had these girls on it. This butterfly, she likes those. This little fairy. Now, the only thing I think she probably wouldn't have liked or not like, I haven't heard her talk about it that much, is maybe this little thing, but you can use this as a mixed media. Even this chicken, she has a crown on her head, right? I think that's cute. And I think all of these are cute, the sentiments. I'm curious to see how big these things are because they look kind of small, but Unity is known for on a larger size stamps, which I like. It says, "The grace with which you handle this journey is nothing short of beautiful." I love that. I think this would be good with this. I feel like this is a whole story in my head, at least, of them sitting out and just talking. One of them is crying about something. I don't know what. Joy, that subtle yet profound sparkle in life. It doesn't shoot, it doesn't shout, it whispers. I like that. Keep your focus on those who love you and know your heart, okay? No one else's opinion rules the roost. That's cute. And forever cherished, forever treasured, forever loved. Your grace still stands. Now, I don't know about those two, but anyway. And let's see the free stuff that we got. I don't know if I need to stop saying free. It came with the kit. It's not really free because you pay for it, and this kit is not cheap at all. You get two cards. You can make this into a card. This is really pretty. Oh, this is the sentiments. Okay. The best thing in life are made with love. True. You are beautiful inside and out. I love this. These need to be copied before I use. I love this. This is nice. These are some sentiments that you can definitely. Um, I feel like this is a sentiment that you can make into an inspiration photo. So you can take this and probably stamp the butterfly in different colors. Like a third or fourth edition, not edition stamp. Yeah, third or fourth stamp. So it's light and it covers it. And this one is very pretty too. I like this kind of ransom font. I don't know why. I don't want to have ransom things in my life, but yeah. So you get some tags and some twine. I really ever use my twine. I really hardly ever use any of the stuff, but nonetheless, here we are. And let's take a look at how big the stamps are. All right, so this is pretty big. I don't want to take them out the thing because I'm a month behind now. So we got these are pretty decent sizes. This whole mixed media butterfly is nice. I'm kind of worried about this and how it's going to stamp out, but they're pretty decent size. And then this is some inspiration. So these people chose not the common things, but this is cool. I love this background. Opinion no one else's opinion rules the roost. She's like unapologetic, like I don't really care. And then this is a cute little bookmark. I think I might do something like this with my son for him, but not with butterflies, maybe something else. Anyway, that is the kit for February. If you haven't gotten it, would you get it? If you missed February, you can always get this now, half off, right? So I want to say thank y'all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.